Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off Microsoft Windows security on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your little search icon, looks like a little magnifying glass, and type in security. Best result should come back a Windows security. Go ahead and open that up. Select Virus and Threat Protection on the left panel, and then on the right side underneath Virus and Threat Protection settings, go ahead and select Manage Settings. Real-time protection, you can go turn that off by toggling it to the off position, and select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And that's pretty much it. You can do the same for other settings in here as well, such as firewall and account protection. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.